In this video, we're going to show you how to install the driver's side rear sway bar end link on your Ford 500. The process for the driver's side is the same as the passenger side. In order to perform this job, you do not have to remove the wheel. Using a 15mm wrench, we're going to go ahead and loosen this nut here, holding the lower portion of our sway bar end link. Now we did soak this down with some rust penetrant to help loosen this. Let's go ahead and repeat the process for the upper nut. The joint inside the sway bar end link is spinning, so we're going to use a 7mm wrench. So the 7mm will fit on the end of the stud here. Put our wrench right over the nut. Go ahead and use a hammer. Go ahead and tap these out. Now, when we install our link end here, there is going to be a hex unit right here that we can go ahead and hold on to that. We're going to use our 18mm thin wrench. When we put this on, we should be able to put that behind there and tighten down that nut if this spins when we install a nut. Put it in up top and working into the sway bar as well on the bottom. Install our upper bracket, and then we'll get that nut installed. Once we have the nut installed on the top, we'll go ahead and install the nut on the bottom. And let's go ahead and tighten those down. Top is tight. Snug down the bottom one. And the bottom one is spinning, so we'll use that 18mm wrench on the back side to tighten that down. Let's torque down the nuts to 41 foot-pounds. Now, after you've torqued these down, you can go ahead and install your wheel if you did decide to remove it. It does allow for a little bit more room and light to get in to help you work. If your wheel is still on, you can now go ahead and take the vehicle for a road test.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.